Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. So এখন we are passing a new normal situation. This is not normal, and we are the teacher, and we have the responsibility to enhance or to continue our teaching. Because if we stop, then our generation will be stopped. Some of the profession then can be stopped, but the teacher, doctor, so this is a type of profession they cannot stop. They need to contribute continuously for the society. So basically, I'm a teacher. I teach chemistry, biochemistry, or biotechnology. So during this pandemic situation, I found it is really difficult to teach. While if we use very simple method that install a board in your home, and if you have just a mobile phone or any other device with the camera, set the camera, and then you can use this board as interactive board. Because I could found so many people are giving the special type of training or something like that. The teacher should use a smart board or should use some sketch like thing. So basically, for the chemistry, teaching chemistry, according to my feeling, it should be something like interaction with the board, hand, marker, duster, chalk, and the student. If it is a smooth way and harmonious way, then only it is possible to teach your student with interactive way. So I try to make one of my class as a video example for this video, and it is just my idea I'm sharing with you. We know we all have very definite idea. We are the creative person. We are the most creative entity in this world. So basically, I just trying to give the way I am teaching, and I found my students are really, uh, uh, really respectful to this way, and they are learning. We cannot teach them 100% as like the classroom, but I can assure you it will at least cover up 80 to 70 to 80%. And then another way we can follow like interaction through our LMS like BLC or any other ways, which will help you to convert it to 100%. But you will be confident by delivering the knowledge in this way. I can yeah, from my viewpoint or from my understanding, I can say that. So basically, as we are responsible to shape up our world, as we are responsible to shape up our next generation, so we need them and we need to teach them. And we cannot stop teaching chemistry or biochemistry or biotechnology just to saying that it is impossible to teach in this such type of pandemic situation. So uh, can we use this type of way to continue our teaching, to make our student more comfort without using just a just slide based, because chemistry is not a subject for slide based, or mathematics this type of subject, or physics you need to draw. I can remember one of my teacher, Professor Dr. Kamrul Hassan Mamun in Dhaka University. He was very passionate. He was like he's just doing fighting with the chalk and duster, just to chalk and duster to teach us. And I can remember his efforts. I don't know whether he's hearing my video or not, but it was really enjoying for me at the time, that how dedicated he is to just sketch the lines in our mind through the chalk and duster. So why don't we also follow the way to use our like whiteboard or blackboard or anything is available to us, and then we will teach our student the way and they can basically learn from us, and they can see us, they can see our reaction, face reaction. Maybe we are not face to face, but if you can see this video, they are asking a lot of questions, they are giving their feedback, they are giving their answer. Almost not, I cannot say it is the like direct class, but I can say this is interactive class, and I use just the Google Meet and my board, nothing else. So why don't we try it? And also, if we consider that this is a good way, we can use it for others, and we can use it for our student, for the betterment of our student. And it was just a chemistry class for reaction of alkane. I also performed the biochemistry and biotechnology classes using the same system, and I found they're interactive and they're learning something. But So I try to share this view with my colleagues, respected colleagues, and they are really amazing. And I know the teacher are the best creative person of the society. So I think they will be able to make more interactive one, and if this video will help you to just direct you some ways, and maybe you will make more effective one and interactive one. থ্যাংক ইউ। বাংলায় যদি বলি, শুধুমাত্র আমি গুগল ক্লাসরুম এবং হচ্ছে গুগল আমাদের যে মিট অ্যাপটা আছে, মিট অ্যাপ আর হচ্ছে বোর্ড ব্যবহার করে আমি বেসিক্যালি ক্লাসটা নিয়েছি। এটা কেমিস্ট্রি ক্লাস ছিল। সো আমরা চেষ্টা করে দেখতে পারি যে কিছু দেয়া যায় কিনা আমাদের স্টুডেন্টদেরকে, কারণ আমরা জানি যে একটা একটা প্যান্ডেমিক সিচুয়েশন, নিউ নর্মাল সিচুয়েশন, এটা খুবই সিভিয়ার। বাট আমরা টিচাররা উই ক্যানট স্টপ টিচিং, উই ক্যানট স্টপ ডেলিভারিং দ্য knowledge to them. So we can try it, and we can help it, our student to learn the chemistry, biochemistry and biotechnology type of courses through this way. And I will be very happy to share with you any views and anything you need. And don't hesitate to email me in my email address showing here if you need any help or any kind of support I can give you, although I am not worthy enough for that, but I will try. And I will be happy to deliver you any type of information or any knowledge or whatever I have. I do not know everything, but I will try to share, because sharing is caring, and it will improve our society, and it will enhance our society and global village. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully you will be benefited from the video or the words, and I will be happy to help.